Hi, my name is Mike Shamans. I'm the owner and president of Quality Fireplace and Chimney Service. We continue to operate during these uncertain times because basically people need us. We've got clogged chimneys, we've got sometimes smoke backups, we've got sometimes active water leaks. There's also real estate inspections to be done. So we are doing our best to serve the community in as safe a manner as possible. As an essential business, we are taking all the proper precautions necessary to maintain your safety and so that we can give you great service. So one thing we're doing is we're putting booties on, so we're not tracking anything in. We use them only once, so nothing can get transferred from house to house. We're using the drop claws only once, so anything that's gathered from your house will go right into the washer with bleach rather than going into someone else's house. We absolutely don't want to be transferring anything from house to house. We maintain social distances when we're out. We normally like to shake your hand. This time we're going to be doing just a hi. We want to maintain our distance from people. We can do our jobs that way. We can go in, we can look up in your fireplace and chimney. We lay down the drop cloths, like I said, over the hearth and floor. We bring in a high-powered vacuum system with a HEPA filtration, filters down to a half a micron. Even the smallest soot particles cannot escape the HEPA filter in our vacs. That's running the whole time we do your job. So we can do all that work from the inside while maintaining our distance. And the rest of our work, a lot of times, is outside on your roof. We set up scaffolding, we climb up ladders, so we're away from people, we're away from spreading germs, but we can still stop the water from leaking in your house and causing damage. So we feel like we're doing our best to help the community during these times, keep things going, and get as much work done as possible. Any questions, give me a call at 262-786-4411. Thanks.